Okay. Mamaya na. Parang may sakit pa naman. May karamdaman ka bang matagal hindi nakapapagamo? Kuya, mag-iingat ka ha. Oh my God, you're so pretty. What's your name?
Camille.
Camille. How old are you?
I'm 17.
17? Oh my God, you know what? When I was your age, I was 72. You're so fresh. Oh my God. What?
You're so ganda.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so what are you doing here? Do you study here? You live here in Vancouver?
I live here in Vancouver.
You're so pretty. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Why not?
I don't want to.
Don't want a boyfriend? What?
I'm too young.
Oh, di sorry, I'm too old. Nasaktan mo pa yung damdamin ko na mas matanda ko sa'yo. Okay, do you want to be an actress?
Yeah.
Oh my God. ABS-CBN is looking for an actress. A new breed of actress that will play the role of a manananggal in Shake Rock. Okay, but first, you gotta sing for me. Just sing. Do you know Britney?
Yeah, I do.
Britney Houston? You know Britney Houston? Yeah, the singer who sang the songs from Bodyguard. You can just sing. Are you ready?
Right now?
You wait for the cue. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yun ang ginawa niya, proud na proud ka na. Kaibigan mo. Achievement. That's your sister? Your sisters? How come you're not as pretty as her?
Oh my God!
No, you're not as pretty as her. You know why? Because you're prettier than her. Yeah! One of our friends, ah. Oh, it's your cousin, your aunt. Oh, ikaw pinakabata, mami, di ba? Si Andy, ang tali ng blusher, kala mo performer din. Okay. Ito naman tayo sa other side. I love you too.
Hi, Saudi! I love you! She's following you! Nice
Rachel, baka nilalanggam na ito.